Hello students, how are you? I hope everyone was good. In this video, today I am going to discuss with you question answers of your first poem, Grandma Climbs a Tree. Let's start the video. First question. The speaker in the poem does not call his grandmother childish. What else was she according to him? Why does he consider her to be so? ಲೈನ್ 1 to 4 ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 to 4 ಲೈನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ದಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡಿಶ್. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ she was a genius because she could climb a tree, whether the big tree was high or big and spreading. She was skillful and she can climb it very quickly. She could climb the tree tireless even at the age of 62. She had this gift and enjoying it though it was unusual. So the speaker considered her to be genius. Second question, students. Grandma had been in the habit of climbing trees for a very long period. Identify the lines that suggest this. Ever since childhood, she had this ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಗಿಫ್ಟ್. This line suggested that the grandma had been in the habit of climbing trees for a very long period ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Look at the line 7 and 8. She would be told, who do you think would tell her so? 7 and 8 ಲೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. I think that the well-wishers, family members or neighbors would tell her so ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದೆ. Do you find anything odd in the reply given by the grandma? If you so, why do you think it is odd? Line 10 to 11. Answer ನೋಡಿ. We can't say that grandma's reply is odd. We can instead say that her reply shows her women having irregular habits and showing disregard for social conventions. Spirit. She boldly declares that if climbing tree in old age is considered disgraceful, she would choose to be disgraceful. Her reply shows her freedom of spirit. Fifth question ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. Others had feared that Granny would fall from a tree one day or the other. Did this happen? Or did something else happen? Line 15 to 18. 15 and 18ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಬೀಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬಿದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್. ಒನ್ ಡೇ ವೆನ್ others were in town, she had a terrible fall. But the effect of this was the opposite. Instead of fearing, the grandma climbed the tree and made up her mind that she wouldn't come down. Sixth question, students. What had the doctor recommended? What was the reaction of the kids to this advice? Answer ನೋಡಿ. The doctor recommended her to stay on the bed for a week. The kid sighed with a relief and tucked her up well to the bed. It means the kids looked after her and wished that she would stay in bed and be out of trouble. Next question, students. Seventh one. Quote the lines which suggest how wholeheartedly Granny enjoyed climbing a tree ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ. The lines which suggested that Granny wholeheartedly enjoyed the climbing a tree were as follows. When last the climbed a tree, she was 62. For being happier in a tree than in a lift, she climbed a tree and couldn't come down. ಈ ಮೂರು ಕೊಟೇಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಮೂರು ಸಾಲುಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 8th ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. My dad knew his duties. What did he think his duty was? The question ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ. The speaker's dad knew his duties. Mean he agreed to fulfill his mother's desire immediately because he was obedient and loved his mother. 9th question ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Look at the picture given below the title. Quote the lines that might have guided the artist to draw ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. The lines that might have guided the artists to draw are made her tree house with the windows and a door. So Granny moved up. She sits there in a state, upholding her right to reside in a tree ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ರೀಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ರೀಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ read the poem again. Does the behavior of grandma strike you as unusual? If so, support your view, quoting her ways and responses to others. One is done for you ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಾ? ಅನ್ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪೋಯಮಿಂದಾನೆ 2 ಸಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಆರಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅವ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾವು 2 ಸಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಬರಿಬಹುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ವೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಗ್ರೀವ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೋವಿಂಗ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡು, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ she would old disgracefully response to. Second question. Growing old disgracefully is an expression used in the poem. Discuss with your partner whether what the grandma was doing was graceful or otherwise ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. What is a being graceful and what is not a being graceful is subjective. According to traditional ideas, girls are supposed to be graceful and they are not supposed to climb trees in a manly or a disgraceful manner. But these ideas needn't be taken as the ultimate truth. Grandma did what her heart prompted her to do, and while doing what she did not hurt anyone, so we will not be fair in our judgment of her action if we consider it disgraceful ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Both the narrator, speaker in the poem, and his father were very considerate toward grandma. Substantiate the statement with the textual support ಅಂತ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. The narrator admires his grandma and calls her a genius. When she boldly chooses to be disgraceful, her readily supports her. When the doctor advises rest for a grandma, he lovingly tucks her up in a bed. However, he feels sorry for grandma as he knows that being confined to bed is a torture for a grandma. All these details show much how much the narrator loves his grandma. His father, too, is equally considerate. When grandma demands a house on the treetop, he readily agrees and builds one on the treetop with the help of his son. After his house is built, every day she narrator climbs the tree to give a grandma company over a glass of sherry ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದೆ ರೀಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಆಟ್ ದ ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 5 pairs ಆಫ್ ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಸೇಟ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ ಟ್ರೀ ಏಲ್ ಫೇಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ನೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಏನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ನೇಮ್ ದ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚು ಸಿಮಿಲಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ದ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕನ್ಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹರ್ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ and tucked up to her bed was compared as a brief season in hell. Next question nodri. For being happier in a tree than a lift, what is suggested through this line? Exchange your views with your partner ante question ide. Answer nodri. Here the poet suggested or explained that the granny enjoyed to sit in a tree and she felt very uncomfortable and sad if she were in life. Next question is the makla. There was not a tree she hadn't been up is an expression. Read at the above sentences without using not. Note the meaning should be the same ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Give some more examples from outside the text to illustrate of effective used doubled negative ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆನ್ಸರು there were no trees left. The grandma hadn't climbed ಅಂತ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠದ ಸಮರಿಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಮಾ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಸ್ ಟೀ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪೋಯಮ್ನ ಸಮರಿನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.